Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Lilia and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make some oatmeal tortillas, which are super simple to make and they only require 3 ingredients. So along with this I'll be pairing it up with a fresh Pico de Gallo, so if you stay to the very end I'll get to share that with you as well. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also hit on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Here's all the ingredients needed to prepare both recipes, but for exact measurements, check out the description portion of this video just down below. Add my tortilla into a hot skillet. I had it on high first just to heat this up because you don't want your tortilla to go in a cold skillet. It just won't cook up right. So I started out with high and then eventually brought it down to a medium. So it's going to be about 2 minutes per side, 2 to 3 minutes per side. And you should start to see the edges kind of slowly dry up. Occasionally they do fluff up. If they do, that's like super awesome. And you don't want to cook them up too much, only because these are not like regular corn or flour tortillas. If you overcook them, they end up getting really hard. I wanted to show you the beauty of a tortilla that came out. So I kept them in this warmer, but look at this. You can see all that steam, but look how soft they end up being. You can even roll them up like a regular tortilla. Look at this. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. But look how soft they are. So I would suggest making them as thin as you possibly can without them ripping, because that's how, or it increases the likelihood that it'll end up fluffing up, as you guys saw in the earlier clip. So now I'm gonna get going to stuffing these with cheese and some steak, and then we'll top it off with that Pico de Gallo that I showed you earlier. Here is the pico and the quesadillas. Look at this cheese pull. Mm. Mm. I'm gonna add some pico. Oh. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Once again, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so you don't miss out on my following video. Until next time.